When it comes to enhancing the value of your Mandeville home, few upgrades have as significant an impact as window replacement. Windows are not just functional elements, they are essential for your home's aesthetic appeal, energy efficiency, and security. Whether you're planning to sell or simply want to improve your living space, replacing old, inefficient windows with modern, energy-efficient models can add substantial value to your home. In this article, we'll explore how window replacement can increase your home's value, enhance curb appeal, and improve energy efficiency, making it a smart investment for homeowners in Mandeville. Improved curb appeal. First impressions are crucial, especially if you're thinking of selling your home in the future. The appearance of your home's exterior can influence a buyer's perception before they even step inside. New windows can dramatically improve your home's curb appeal, making it look more modern, polished, and well-maintained. Fresh look. Old, outdated windows can make a home look tired and neglected. By replacing them with newer, stylish windows, you instantly update your home's appearance. Modern windows come in a wide variety of styles, from double-hung to casement to picture windows, giving you the flexibility to choose the perfect design for your home's aesthetic. Customization options. Replacement windows offer customization options that allow you to match your windows to the architectural style of your home. Whether you prefer traditional wooden frames or sleek vinyl, there are plenty of materials and finishes available that can enhance your home's overall look and increase its marketability. Increased buyer appeal. If you plan to sell, potential buyers will be more drawn to a home with fresh, modern windows. New windows improve not only the exterior but also the overall atmosphere inside, which can make your home feel more inviting and well cared for. Enhanced energy efficiency. One of the most impactful benefits of window replacement is the improvement in energy efficiency. Older windows, especially those that are single pane or have broken seals, can be major culprits in heat loss during the winter and heat gain during the summer. This results in higher utility bills and a less comfortable living environment. Insulation. Energy-efficient replacement windows are often double-glazed or triple-glazed with an insulating gas layer between the panes. These windows help keep your home more comfortable by preventing air from leaking in or out. As a result, your home maintains a more stable indoor temperature, reducing the need for heating or cooling. Lower energy bills. By improving your home's insulation, new windows can lower your energy bills. Energy-efficient windows prevent heat loss in winter and keep the home cooler in summer, reducing the reliance on HVAC systems. Over time, the savings on your energy bills can offset the initial cost of the window replacement. Sustainability. Installing energy-efficient windows can also make your home more sustainable by reducing its environmental impact. With energy savings and reduced carbon emissions, your home becomes more eco-friendly, which can appeal to environmentally conscious buyers. Increased home security. Your windows play a crucial role in keeping your home secure. Old windows with weak locks, broken frames, or single-pane glass are more vulnerable to break-ins. By upgrading to modern windows with reinforced frames, impact-resistant glass, and high-quality locks, you improve your home's security and, as a result, its overall value. Stronger frames and locks. Many new windows come with multi-point locking systems and stronger frames made from durable materials like vinyl, fiberglass, or steel. These features make it more difficult for intruders to break in, adding an extra layer of security to your home. Impact-resistant glass. Replacement windows with impact-resistant glass can provide protection during storms and against attempted break-ins. In areas like Mandeville, where storms and hurricanes are common, these windows offer added peace of mind, knowing that your home is better protected from the elements and intruders. Higher resale value. Homebuyers are often drawn to homes with modern, energy-efficient windows because they recognize the long-term benefits. New windows not only improve the home's appearance and energy efficiency but also offer better security and lower maintenance. These factors can result in a higher resale value for your home. Return on investment, ROI. According to real estate experts, homeowners can expect to recover a significant portion of their investment in window replacement when they sell their homes. In fact, replacing windows can provide an ROI of around 70–80%, depending on the quality of the windows and the local market. In a competitive real estate market like Mandeville, having updated, energy-efficient windows can make your home stand out and sell faster. Market demand. As energy efficiency becomes a higher priority for homebuyers, having modern windows can make your property more attractive. Buyers are willing to pay more for homes that already have energy-efficient upgrades, which means that investing in window replacement can pay off significantly when it's time to sell. Reduced maintenance costs. Older windows often require ongoing maintenance, such as repairing leaks, repainting wood frames, or replacing broken seals. New windows, however, are designed to be more durable and low maintenance. Long-term durability. Many modern windows are made from materials like vinyl, which is resistant to fading, warping, and cracking. These materials require very little upkeep, helping you save money on repairs and replacements over time. No more painting. If you currently have wooden windows, you know that they need to be repainted periodically to prevent them from rotting or peeling. Many replacement windows, especially those made from vinyl or fiberglass, don't require painting and are designed to last for decades without significant wear. Conclusion. Window replacement in Mandeville is a wise investment that can increase your home's value, curb appeal, energy efficiency, and security. Whether you're looking to improve your home for personal enjoyment or preparing to sell, replacing outdated windows offers a variety of benefits that make it a worthwhile upgrade. By improving the aesthetic appeal, reducing energy bills, and enhancing security, new windows can provide a substantial return on investment and ensure that your home remains comfortable, efficient, and attractive for years to come.